Hello my friends all over the world, my name is Rafael, I am an English and mathematics teacher in Brazil, and on this video I'm gonna speak about polynomial division. Do you know how to divide polynomials? If you wanna find out, continue watching this video. Can you see these two polynomials behind me? The exercise wants us to factor out the polynomials and divide them and find the solution, okay? So what we need to do to divide these polynomials is going to be simple, okay? People learn this normally in high school, and if you have already forgotten how to solve this, I'm gonna show to you now. The first polynomial is 6x squared plus 24x plus 24 divided by 3 times x plus 6. And the technique that we're going to use is going to be to use the division that we normally do when we divide numbers. So let's consider it. I'm gonna erase this here, and I'm gonna write it again, okay? But now in this way, I'm gonna write it in another way. Plus 24 divided by 3 times x plus 6. Okay, so what is it that we're going to do? Okay, now instead of dividing it as numbers as we're accustomed to when we conduct divisions, we need to consider the factors with x. X squared and x here. Okay, so what is it that we need to do? We need to consider this. Here I have 6 and here I have 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2, okay? 2. Here x squared and here x. X squared divided by x is x. Okay, so the first step is done, and now what we need to do is to check if it is right, okay? 2x times 6 is gonna be 12x. If we put it to the other side, it's going to be negative. It's going to then be negative 12x. Okay, and what we do to the multiplication here, it's going to be the same. 2 times x times 3 times x is going to be 6x squared. If we pass it to the other side, it becomes negative 6x squared. Okay, so this is how we divide polynomials. Did you see how easy it is? Okay, did you see the magic? So what we need to do here now is to simply subtract one of the other. 6x squared minus 6x squared is 0. Positive 24x minus 12x is positive 12x. And we pass this below here. Okay, we're going to do the same. If you didn't follow the first stage, try to follow it now. I have 12x here. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Okay, so and x divided by x is 1. So I'm going to only use 4 without x as I used here. I only used here because there was here x squared, and x squared divided by x is x. So here x divided by x is 1, and I don't put x here. Do you understand why? So 4 times 6 is 24. I pass to the other side negative 24. And here 4 times 3 is 12. I pass to the other side negative 12. Don't forget the x, negative 12x. And then 12x minus 12x is 0. Positive 24 negative 24 is 0. So you have here 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. So we have calculated this figure here, and what we want to prove now is that if we multiply 3x plus 6 by 2x plus 4, what we get is this. We return to this. We return to this because we calculated that if we divided this by this, we get this. So if we multiply this by this, we return to the original, isn't that? So this is the first stage in calculating what we want. And now we are going to finish by doing this. At first, the exercise wanted us to calculate this. 6 squared plus 24x, 6x squared plus 24x plus 24 divided by 3x plus 6. And we found that it is 2x plus 4 and 3x plus 6, it is going to be divided by 3x plus 6, okay? So now to finish and to solve the problem completely, what we need to do is to cancel out this, because this divided by this is simply 1. And the final solution is 2 times x plus 4, and this is the solution of the problem, my friends. I hope you enjoyed the video. Goodbye.